All right, let's shake it out. Get loose, arms, shoulders, everything. Faster, faster. Great job, you're ready to go.
Shake it out nice and loose. Full body now. And relax. Excellent work.
Let's get moving. Nice wide circles, keep it smooth. And reverse. You got this.
All right, hands on your hips and let's go. Big circles clockwise. Now switch directions counterclockwise. Keep that core tight.
All right, cross body twist. Bring your knee to your elbow and keep that core tight. Let's go, push the pace. Quick feet, side to side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that rhythm going.
Step right, then left. Keep it moving. We're warming up the whole body now. Stay with me.
And roll those shoulders up and back nice and quick. Keep that flow going, you're looking great. Up, back, around. All right, everyone, let's pick up the pace now. Keep those circles wide and fast. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep it moving. All right, everyone, let's get started with some arm circles. Keep them fast and controlled. Now switch directions, rotating backwards.
Keep that rhythm going. Light bounces, gentle on the knees, and make sure you're breathing steady.
Now we'll begin the warm-up. Slowly swing your arms forward and back, maintaining a smooth, rhythmic flow.
All right, let's get those knees up. Right elbow to left knee, tilt. Left to right. Keep the pace fast, you got this.
All right, let's pick up the pace now. High knees, drive them up. Stay light on your feet and breathe.
Keep bouncing lightly on the balls of your feet. We're just warming up the joints here.
Now we'll begin the warm-up. Slowly swing your arms forward and back, maintaining a smooth, rhythmic flow.
All right, team, let's get right into it. Fast twist, side to side. Keep that energy up. All right, team, let's get those obliques warmed up. Twist it out, side to side. Keep that pace up, you're doing great. All right, shake it out fast as you can. Loosen up those shoulders, keep breathing. And done, great job. Let's keep this pace up. Big controlled swings forward and back. Make sure you're breathing through it. All right, everyone, let's pick up the pace now. High knees, drive them up. Keep breathing and smile, you got this.
All right, shoulder rolls to warm up. Keep the pace fast and the movement smooth.
Let's begin with some gentle arm swings. Nice and slow, opening up the chest. Breathe deeply.
Let's pick up the pace now. Swing those arms fast and controlled. Breathe deeply and push through. Let's keep this pace up. Big controlled swings forward and back. Make sure you're breathing through it.